Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. You don't need to copy me. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So who was the son of Ajatasattu?
Uddayini.
Udayini.
Udayana founded which city?
Pataliputra. The capital.
Pataliputra.
Pataliputra.
Pataliputra. Who was the founder of Sisunaga dynasty?
Agadasaka.
Sisunaga.
Sisunaga.
Sisunaga. What was the capital of Sisunaga dynasty?
Boisali. Pataliputra.
Vaishali.
Boisali.
Vaishali.
First capital कोटा थिला?
Pataliputra.
ପାଟଳିପୁତ୍ର
ପାଟଳିପୁତ୍ର। ଗିରିବ୍ରଜ ଯୋଉଟା ପାଟଳିପୁତ୍ର ସେଇଟା କି?
ନା ଅଲଗା।
ଆଉ ତ
ରାଜଗିରି ବିମ୍ବିସାର।
ତ ଗିରିବ୍ରଜ କଣ?
ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଥିଲା ବିମ୍ବିସାରଙ୍କ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ।
ତ ଶିଶୁନାଗ ଡାଇନେଷ୍ଟିର କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଥିଲା ଗିରିବ୍ରଜ, ଯୋଉଟା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ହେଇଥିଲା ବୈଶାଳୀ। ହୁ ୱାଜ ଦ ସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଶିଶୁନାଗ?
କାଲାଶୋକ।
ଇଜ ଏନିୱାନ୍ ସେଇଂ?
କାଲାଶୋକ।
Kalasuka. Very good, very good. Kalasuka. During the reign of Kalasuka, which Buddhist council was held?
Second Buddhist.
Second Buddhist council. Who was the founder of Nanda dynasty?
Mahapadmananda.
Mahapadmananda. Thursday or Friday class ହେଇ ନପାରେ due to function. I will be busy in dance, song and drama. Mahapadmananda, बिल्कुल. Mahapadmananda was called to be the incarnation of Parsuram. बहुत बढ़िया. Parsuram. Incarnation of Parsuram. Who was the last king of Nanda dynasty? Some questions I am asking just for knowledge, whether you are studying properly or not. So, last king of Nanda dynasty was Dhanananda. Alexander was from which country?
Macedonia.
Macedonia.
Darius I was from which country? Darius I.
Greek.
Iran.
Greek.
Iran. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sir, question again.
Darius I, Darius 1 was from Iran. Alexander was contemporary of which Nanda dynasty king?
Dhanananda.
ମହାପଦ୍ମାନନ୍ଦ
Dhananand. बहुत बढ़िया. Dhananand. How many Mahajanapadas are there?
16.
All the 16 Mahajanapadas are in which book? Which Buddhist text?
ଅଙ୍ଗୁତ୍ତର ନିକାୟ।
Anguttara Nikaya. Very good. Which Mahajanapada had two capitals, Pava and Kusinara? Malla. Very good. Malla. Which Mahajanapada had two capitals known as Ahichatra and Kampilya?
Panchala.
ପାଞ୍ଚଳ।
Which Mahajanapada had two capitals, Rabasti and Kusavati? Kosala. बहुत बढ़िया. Which Mahajanapada had two capitals, Ujjain and Mahismati? Avanti. Which Mahajanapada had the capital, Kausambi? Vatsa.
ବସ୍ତ
Vatsa. Vatsa. Which pillar inscription is also called Lion Capital?
Sarnath.
Sarnath. Who was the first scholar to decipher Ashoka's inscription?
Ramali.
First scholar,
Prinsep.
James Prinsep. In which year? 1837. 1837. Who was also known as Vishnugupta?
चाणक्य.
Chanakya.
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 Which ruler was also known as Sandrocotus?
Chandragupta
Chandragupta Maurya.
Maurya.
Chandragupta Maurya. Which Mauryan ruler was also known as, not Mauryan ruler, which Magadha ruler was also known as Amitraghat?
बिंबिसार.
Mahapadmananda.
Bindusara.
Bindusara.
बिंदुसार.
Bindusara. Which ruler was also known as Devanama Piyadasi?
অশোক
Ashoka.
Ashoka. Kalinga war was held in which year?
261.
261 BC. Which major rock edict mentions about Kalinga war?
13.
13. 13.
13th. 13th. Who was the founder of Gupta dynasty?
श्रीगुप्त.
Sri Gupta.
Who was the most powerful ruler of Gupta dynasty?
चंद्रगुप्त टू.
চন্দ্রগুপ্ত টু
Chandragupta 2.
1. Chandragupta 1. Which
Yes, sir.
Gupta ruler was also known as Maharajadhiraja?
চন্দ্রগুপ্ত
Chandragupta 1.
Chandragupta 1. Which Gupta ruler has been mentioned in the inscription Prayag Prasasti?
Samudragupta.
Chandragupta 1.
Samudragupta.
Samudragupta. Samudragupta. The Prayag Prasasti inscription was written by whom?
হরিসেন
Harisan.
Which Gupta ruler was also known as Devagupta?
Samudragupta.
Devagupta, Devaraja, and Devasri. All three names were bestowed on him. Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II. He was popularly known as Vikramaditya. Which Chinese traveler was contemporary of Chandragupta II?
ফাইন
Haihen.
Fahian. Which great poet was in the court of Chandragupta II?
কালিদাস
Kalidas.
कालिदास.
Kalidas. Which famous physician was in the court of Chandragupta II?
ধন্বন্তরী
Dhanvantari. Very good. Dhanvantari. Which art is a blending of Indian and Greek style?
गांधार.
Gandhara art. Very good. Gandhara art. Gandhara art developed during the reign of which Kushan ruler?
कुषाण डायनेस्टी.
কুজুল
Kanishka.
Kanishka. Developed during the reign of Kanishka. Who was the founder of Kushana dynasty?
অজুল করপিসেস
Ujula Kuthises. Who was the founder of Satavahana dynasty?
গৌতমীপূর্ণ সত্যকর্ণী
सिमुक.
Simuka. What was the capital of Satavahana dynasty?
पाकिस्तान. पाकिस्तान.
Paithan বা Pratishthan. Both are same. Who was the founder of Sunga dynasty? Pushyamitra Sunga. Who was the last king of Sunga dynasty?
देवभूति.
Devabhuti. बिल्कुल.
Devabhuti.
Devabhuti. Mahameghavahana was the founder of
Chedi dynasty.
Chedi dynasty.
Bamiyan of Afghanistan was famous for which statue?
ବୁଦ୍ଧଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ
Buddha statue. Which Gupta dynasty ruler I forgot the question. Most number of Gupta period inscriptions are of which Gupta ruler period?
স্কন্দগুপ্ত কি
Most number of Gupta period inscriptions are of Kumara Gupta I. His period. who is also known as Indian Napoleon?
समुद्रगुप्त
समुद्रगुप्त
Samudragupta. The first invasion of Hun was held during the reign of which Gupta ruler?
स्कंदगुप्त
चंद्रगुप्त
Skandagupta. Skandagupta. First invasion of Hun. Who was the founder of Bakataka dynasty?
विंध्य शक्ति
Vindhya Shakti. Very good. Vindhya Shakti. Who was the founder of Rashtrakuta dynasty?
दांती दुर्ग
शांति दुर्गा
दुर्ग
Danti Durga. Who was the founder of Gurjara Pratihara dynasty?
Nagabhatta 1.
Nagabhatta one. Harshavardhan shifted his capital from Thaneswar to which place?
उज्जैन
Thaneswar to
कन्नौज कन्नौज
Kannauj. Kannauj. During the reign of Harshavardhan, which Chinese pilgrim
वेनसांग
traveled to
Wenshan.
Wenshan. Wenshan. CUQ was written by whom?
Wenshan.
Wenshan. Wenshan. Which four places are also known as Char Dham?
Puri, Rameswaram,
केदारनाथ
Kedarnath,
Not Kedarnath.
केदारनाथ का नहीं
Badrinath.
Very good. Puri, Rameswaram, Dwarka, Badrinath. Which three dynasties were involved in the three-party struggle?
एटा होची गुर्जरा प्रतिहार
Gurjar
राष्ट्रकूट
Pratihar,
राष्ट्रकूट
राष्ट्रकूट और ଗୋଟେ ଚାଲୁକ୍ୟ କି ସାର୍
not Chalukya. Pala.
पाଳ
पांड्य
Pala.
Pala.
Gurjar
Pala,
Pratihara, Rashtrakuta and Pala were involved in the three-party struggle. Nalanda University was destroyed by whom?
बख्तियार खिलजी
Bkhtiar
बख्तियार
खिलजी
खिलजी
Bkhtiar Khilji. Founded by whom?
कुमारगुप्त
Kumaragupta.
Kumaragupta I. Kumaragupta I was the son of which ruler?
Chandragupta 2.
Chandragupta II. Bhilwara Jaina temple is located in which city of Rajasthan?
Jaipur.
Mount Abu. Palitana Jaina temple is located in which state? Palitana Jaina temple. Gujarat. Lingaraj temple is built in which style of architecture?
नागौर
Nagara.
नगर
Nagara style. Ellora temple, Ellora cave is located in which district of Maharashtra?
औरंगाबाद
अहम
Aurangabad, bilkul. Who founded Sun Temple of Konark?
नरसिंह देव 3
नरसिंहदेव
Varshandeva 1.
Narasimha
One,
Deva
one.
1.
नरसिंह देव 1
It was built in which century?
11th
11.
13th century.
13
13th, 13. Temples of Khajuraho were built during the reign of which dynasty?
चांदेड़
चांदेड़
Chandel dynasty. Who was the founder of Chola dynasty?
विजयालय
Vijayalaya. What was the capital of Chola dynasty?
तांजोर
तंजावुर
Tanjore. What was the capital of Chalukya dynasty?
बत्तामी
बादामी बादामी
Three capitals were there. Three dynasties were there. Chalukyas. What were those dynasties?
ଚାଲୁକ୍ୟ ବାଦାମୀ
ବାଦାମୀ ଗୋଟେ
ବି
କଲ୍ୟାଣୀ।
ସାତ ଲା ଓଇଓଳ
Chalukyas of Badami or Batapi one, and then Chalukyas of Bhengi. Then third one is Chalukyas of Kalyani. Who was the founder of Chalukyas of Badami?
Badami full location.
Location one.
Collection one.
Founder was Jayasimha. But actual founder that is asked in question is Pulakesi one. But originally it was founded by Jayasimha. Then who was the founder of Chalukya's dynasty of Bhengi?
Vishnu Varma.
Vishnu Vardhana. Who was the founder of Chalukyas of Kalyani?
Vijayaditya.
ବିଜୟାଦିତ୍ୟ
Vijayaditya. Vijayaditya is also known as Vikramaditya VI. How many Sangams were held? How many Sangams were held? Sangams.
Three, sir.
Three Sangams. First Sangam was held at which place?
Madurai.
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 Second Sangam? Kapatapuram. Third Sangam? Madurai. Who was the founder, who was the author of Silapadikaram? Anyone knows?
Tulkapiam.
Sitanar.
Ilango Adigal. Ilango Adigal.
Ilangodi.
Silapadikaram author is Ilango Adigal. Who was the author of Tolkapiam?
Option ଦେଲେ ସାର୍ କହିବି।
Tolkappiyar.
Tolkapier.
Tolkappiyar.
Tolkapier. It is easy one. Tolkapier. Who was the author of Jivaga Chintamani? Tiruttakadevar. Tiruttakadevar. We will discuss in brief during the discussion of Sangam dynasty. Who was the founder of Pallava dynasty? Who was the founder of Pallava dynasty?
Sima Vishnu.
Sima Vishnu.
Simha Vishnu. Very good. What was the capital of Pallava dynasty?
ମହାବଳୀପୁରମ୍।
Kanchipuram.
Kanchipuram.
What was the capital of Pallava dynasty?
Kanchipuram.
Sure.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Who was the founder of Pandya dynasty?
Nandiyo.
Yeah.
Nandiyo.
କଣ କହୁଛ?
Madurai.
Founder.
Nedian.
ହଁ ଭାଇ ସେଇଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା।
Neduncelian. So, what was the capital of Pandya dynasty?
ମଦୁରାଇ
Madurai. What was the
Madurai.
capital of Pala dynasty? What was the capital of
Pataliputra.
Pala dynasty?
Madhu.
What?
Munger.
Munger. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty?
Gopala.
Gopala. Who was the founder of Gohadawala dynasty? Who was the founder of Gohadawala dynasty? Chandradev. Jayachand was the last ruler of Gohadawala dynasty. It is also known as Rathod dynasty. In Kalhana's Rajatarangini, which dynasty has been mentioned?
କାଶ୍ମୀରର ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟ।
Very good. Who was the founder of Sena dynasty?
Sumanta Sena.
Samanta Sena. Who was the founder of Parmar dynasty?
Pendra.
Upendra, very good. Upendra Raj. Upendra Raj. Who was the author of Mudra Rakshas?
विशाखा दत्त
Visakha Datta.
Vishaka Datta.
Visakha Datta. Who was the founder of Ajmer city? Ajay Raj. Ajay Raj. Chauhan dynasty. Who is known as Akbar of Kashmir?
ललितादित्य मुक्तापिढ.
Jainul Abidin. Jainul Abidin. Who is the author of Prithviraj Rosso?
चांद बरदोई
Chand Bardoi.
Chant Bardoi.
Chand Bardai. Who was the founder of Chauhan dynasty?
संग्रामराज.
Sangram Raj.
Vasudev Chauhan. Most popular ruler was Prithviraj III. Prithviraj Chauhan. Rest will be discussed in the next class. Next, ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା?
अपॉइंटमेंट.
କ'ଣ?
अपॉइंटमेंट.
ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ନବ?
हाँ.
ଆସ। Who is the first woman chairperson of SEBI?
माधवीपुरी.
Madhavipuri Butch.
माधवीपुरी.
Madhavi Puri Buch. Who is the first woman bus driver of Jammu Kashmir? Bhavna Kant, Srishti Goswami, Sirisa Bandla, Pooja Devi.
Srishti Goswami.
Pooja Devi. Pooja Devi is the first woman bus driver of Jammu Kashmir. Who is the president of European Parliament? Haitham Al-Ghais, Felix Tshisekedi, Roberta Metsola, Isala Ruwan Wirakun.
रोबोटा मेक्सोला
Roberta Maxwell.
Roberta Metsola. Who is the 14th president of World Bank?
अजय बंगा
Ajay Banga.
अजय बंगा
Ajay Banga. Who is the new president of New Development Bank? Bill Nelson, Nawab Salam, Dilma Rousseff, Jurgen Stock.
बिल्मा रुसेफ
Dilma Rousseff.
Dilma Rousseff, बिल्कुल. Sandeep Baxi is the CEO of which bank? Sandeep Baxi. IDFC Bank, HDFC Bank, Yes Bank, ICICI Bank.
Yes,
यस
sir.
आईसीआईसीआई बैंक
ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. Sashidhar Jagdishan is the MD CEO of which bank? HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank. Chief Bhabesh Gupta is the Chief Operating Officer of which company?
उल्ला.
RBL Bank, IDFC First Bank, PhonePe, Paytm.
फोन पे.
Paytm. Paytm.
Paytm. Chief Operating Officer of Paytm, Bhabesh Gupta. Ashok Baswani is the MD CEO of which bank?
कोटक महिंद्रा.
Kotak Mahindra Bank. Very good. Saji KB is the chairman of which organization?
नाबार्ड.
NABARD.
M.B. Rao is the chairman of which organization?
इंडियन बैंक्स एसोसिएशन.
इंडियन
Indian
बैंक
Banks Association. Indian Banks Association. J. Venkat Ramu is the MD CEO of which bank? Which payments bank? Paytm Payments Bank, India Post Payments Bank, Airtel Payments
पोस्ट पेमेंट बैंक
इंडिया पोस्ट.
इंडियन पोस्ट
Indian Post Payment Bank.
India Post Payments Bank. MD CEO of India Post Payments Bank, J. Venkat Ramu. Antonio Guterres is the Secretary General of which organization? United Nations. He is from which country?
पोर्तुगल.
पोर्तुगाल
Portugal. Dr. Alka Mittal is the first woman chairperson of which PSU? NTPC, NHPC, BHEL, ONGC.
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 ONGC. Who is India's first woman fighter pilot? Jyoti Sharma, Shibangi Joshi, Shibangi Singh, Bhavna Kant.
शिबांगी सिंह
Sibangi. Sibangi.
Shibangi
सिंह
Singh.
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 Very good. India's first woman fighter pilot is Shibangi Singh, and first woman pilot of Navy is Shibangi Joshi. Who is the youngest parliamentarian? Indu Malhotra, Chandrani Murmu, Hina Jaiswal,
चंद्राणी मुर्मू
चंद्राणी मुर्मू
मुर्मू थेला
Chandrani Murmu. What is the capital of Austria?
Vienna.
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 Vienna. What is the capital of Mozambique?
Mozambique City.
Maputo.
तो
Sarda Kumar Hota is the MD of which organization? Karur Vaisya Bank, Karnataka Bank, Exim Bank, National Housing Bank.
Exim Bank.
National Housing.
NHB, National Housing Bank. MD of National Housing Bank, Sarda Kumar Hota. Who is the MD of Exim Bank? S. Raman, Surinder Chawla, Harsha Bangari, Rakesh Sharma.
Surinder Chawla.
Horse ଗୋଟେ କଣ କହିଲ?
Harsha Bangari
बंगाल
is the MD of Exim Bank. Rakesh Sharma is the MDCO of which bank?
आईडीबीआई
IDBI Bank. Very good. IDBI Bank. Who is the Director General of UNESCO? Ku Dongyu, Catherine Russell, Audrey Azoulay, Rebecca Greenspan.
ऑड्री ओजले
Audrey Azoulay.
Audrey Azoulay. She is from which country? UNESCO ର capital जोठी सेई country.
Paris.
पेरिस
Paris.
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 तो इजिली मन रखी परिबो. Director General of UNESCO is Audrey Azoulay from France. Who is the head of UNICEF? Tedros Adhanom,
Joseph.
Achim Steiner, Catherine Russell, Gilbert Humbo.
कैथरीन रसेल
Russell.
Catherine
Catherine Russell.
Catherine Russell. Goji Okonjo Iweala. New name of Abhishek. କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ନାଟା?
बढ़िया
Goji Okonjo Iweala is the new Director General of which organization?
World
World
Trade
Trade
Organization.
Organization.
World Trade Organization. Next. ଝିଅ ପିଲା ଯଦି ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ନ କରିବି ହେଲେ ନା ଦେବି ଏମିତି. Next. Rebecca Greenspan is the Secretary General of which organization? Rebecca Greenspan. UNCTAD, NAM, IBRD, FAO.
UNCTAD.
UNCTAD, United Nations full form कौन?
कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन ट्रेड एंड डेवलपमेंट
बिल्कुल, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Headquartered in
जेनीवा
Geneva. The
Geneva.
Secretary General is Rebecca Greenspan. Very, very important. Ku Dongyu is the Director General of
दैट इज अ
World-
बैंक
World Environment वाला. UNEP.
नहीं FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization.
Food and Agriculture.
Headquartered in
इटली
Rome.
Italy, Rome.
इटली
Rome. Italy is not required. Only city is required. Rome. Gilbert Humbo is the Director General of
इंटरनेशनल लेबर
International Labour Organization. Founded in 1919.
19.
Very good.
1919.
1919.
Oldest. 19.
बिल्कुल oldest.
1919.
UN specialized agency.